you. Teesta Setalvad has been granted interim relief by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has given interim bail to Teesta Setalvad, telling the activist to surrender her passport and telling her to cooperate with the investigation. Teesta Setalvad, remember, has been behind bars. She was arrested by the Gujarat police in June. Arvind Gunasekar, tracking the details of the story, joins us with the very latest. So, Arvind, Teesta Setalvad has been in custody for over 2 months and she has now been granted interim relief by the Supreme Court. What happens next?
Yeah, Rishika, Teesta Setalvad, who was arrested by the Gujarat police on allegations of conspiring to destabilize the Gujarat government during the Gujarat riots, has been granted interim bail by Supreme Court. Earlier, based on Supreme Court judgment, Gujarat police had registered an FIR against her for alleged conspiracy, and also sections like forgery were invoked in the FIR against her, and she was arrested on June 25th. And after 7 days of police custody, she was sent to judicial custody. In the meantime, Teesta Setalvad also moved Supreme Court seeking bail in this matter. So Supreme Court taking note of the fact that her regular bail application is pending before the High Court, and the High Court has issued notice returnable in 6 weeks, and that's why Supreme Court has not gone into the regular bail application, but whereas Supreme Court has found that this is a fit case to grant interim bail, considering the fact that she is a lady, she's also over 60, and then because Gujarat police have already completed the custodial interrogation, the court found that there was no more reason for her to stay in jail, and that's why Supreme Court has come for the relief of Teesta Setalvad, wherein the court has granted interim bail. So the court has also ordered that Teesta Setalvad should be produced before the concerned court tomorrow, wherein the court should complete the interim bail formalities, and the court has also directed that she should surrender her passport to the concerned court, and she should also cooperate with the investigation as and when needed. Apart from that, the Supreme Court has also said that none of this observation should be taken into consideration when the High Court is considering the regular bail plea of Teesta Setalvad. The Supreme Court has said that the High Court can consider the bail application on independent merit, but Supreme Court has passed an order today granting interim bail to Teesta Setalvad despite strong objections from the Gujarat government.
Right. Also, Arvind, give us a bit of context, as far as this case is concerned. The court, of course, was hearing the bail plea of Teesta Setalvad, who's accused of forgery, fabrication of evidence in connection with the 2002 riots. Like you said, she's been accused of a bid to try to destabilize the government. She was arrested only in June. And the Supreme Court has, raised some very serious questions over her arrest and why bail wasn't granted.
Yeah, Rishka, in fact, Supreme Court took note of the fact that this particular FIR that was registered by Gujarat police is purely based on the observations made by Supreme Court in its judgment connected to the Gujarat rights matter on the plea of Zakia Jafri. But Supreme Court also noted that even though she was arrested based on this particular FIR, she moved Gujarat High Court seeking bail in this matter, but the Gujarat High Court has issued notice with a 6 weeks time for Gujarat government to respond on her plea. And that's why Supreme Court said that this particular time period of 6 weeks that were granted for this interim bail was something the Supreme Court was not happy about. Supreme Court also questioned that in such bail pleas, the two considering the fact that the accused is a woman here, the court could not have given such a long time period of 6 weeks for the Gujarat government to respond to her bail plea. That's why, taking all this facts into consideration, that the custodial interrogation has already been completed. Whatever the case, it all depends on the documentary proof, and that's why the court has decided to grant interim relief or an interim bail to Teesta Setalvad.
Thanks very much, Arvind, for joining us with the very latest.